So there's different ways to represent a translation. When you translate something, you can translate it across what's called a translation vector. So that means all 3 points are, or 4 points, or however many points you have to translate, depending on your shape, will get translated along the same translation vector. So it'll go left and right the same, and it'll go up and down the same. One way that you can represent it is in component form, where it has these little arrows on there. Right here. And that's how you can move it up and down, left and right. Another way to do it is with the symbols. So when you have it with the symbols with a point, you put X and then you put your translation, whether it's positive or negative, and then same thing for B. But when it's in the component form, you don't need that. You just can put the number in which you are moving left and right and up and down. So I think they give it here. So you're looking for the translation vector between these 2 points. It's 7, 4. So you're taking the point P and adding 7 to the -2 and adding 3 or adding 4 to the 3, and that's going to get you your new point there. Okay, so for example, number 4, we have a quadrilateral. We are going to go ahead and put it on the graph first, and then we're going to go ahead and translate it 7, 1. So hopefully we have enough room to do that. Yeah. So I'm going to graph our quadrilateral. -9, -5. They sure don't give you a whole lot of space on these. -7, and then -4, -2. Okay, so it looks like that's our quadrilateral. It's important to label, but I don't have a whole lot of room. R, S, and T. Okay, so then my translation vector is going to go 7, 1. So I'm going to add 7 to all the x's and add 1 to all the y's, and that's going to get me my new points. So I'm going to go ahead and write them here. So add 7 and then add 1. So that's the new Q. And then I'm going to do R, add 7, add 1, new S, add 7, add 1, and then T, add 7, and add 1. And there we go. There's our new point. So let's go ahead and put those on our graph and label. So -1, -1. Ooh, it's going to be real crowded. Ideally, you should have the same shape, hopefully, if something does not look right. Hold on, I want to make sure I did that one right. Oops. Nope, I definitely didn't do it right. Let me erase this one. This one I got messed up. It's hard on a small, teeny tiny graph. There we go. 3, -1, 3, -6. Whoop, 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 whoop. And there we go. So we have R prime, S prime, T prime, and Q. And there we go. It slid that direction. Went 1 and then 7.